Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Kilau Hermayanti Putri. You can call me Miss Kilau. In today's class, we will study material about the past perfect tense. So let's start. Okay, in the first slide, we have definition of the past perfect tense. Definition of the past perfect tense is used to describe an action that was complete before another action in the past. So this past perfection tenses is a statement or action we made before the action we are now taking. Okay, jadi this action is a statement. These perfect tenses, a statement or action we made before the action we are now taking. Okay, in the next slide, when to use these tenses? These tenses is used when stating a previous event. The same as Miss explained previously on the first slide. Yeah, an example is like now. This example is Miss is preparing the material before teaching starts. Okay, and then the next slide again. Example sentence is she had been on campus before she was at work. She had been on campus before she was at work. And the next example, she had already gone home when he called. Jadi si perempuan ini pergi ke rumah setelah ditelepon oleh seseorang, ya. Dan yang tadi contoh pertama adalah dia sebelum ada di tempat bekerja, sebelumnya dia ada di kampus. So, example in English language, she had been on campus before she was at work. And the second example, she had already gone home when he called. And the next slide, we have positive formula of past perfect tense. Formula positive these tenses is subject plus had plus verb 3 and plus object. In sixth slide, Miss will read an example from the positive formula. Example positive formula tenses: he had finished their homework before he went to sleep at night, and they had visit to the museum before it closed. Okay, in the sixth slide, Miss have example positive formula tenses. Miss don't make the material and have two example. Okay, example positive formula tenses is why? Oh, anyone to ask? Who's that? Oh, if anyone want to ask, Miss, I will miss the time at the end of the session, yeah. Okay. Example positive formula tenses: he had finished. In the one example, the first example, he had finished their homework before he went to sleep at night. He had finished their homework before he went to sleep at night. Second example, they had visit to the museum before it closed. They had visit to the museum before it closed. Lanjut ke negative formula of past perfect tenses. In the negative formula of past perfect tenses, the formula is subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus subject. The example tenses negative, yeah, is the first example negative. She had not seen the movie. She had not seen the movie. And third example, I had not complete the report by the deadline. I had not complete the report by the deadline. Okay. Next. Formula interrogative of past perfect tense is had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object and plus question mark. So if you make the tenses use the perfect past interrogative formula, don't forget to include question mark, because if you don't include question mark, then it's not an interrogative sentence. Example interrogative of past perfect tense: had she ever been to Paris before the trip? Had she ever been to Paris before the trip? Had he warmed up before exercise? Had he warmed up before exercise? Okay, any question? Come on, in the middle Miss was explaining. Someone want to ask a question? Come on, who you are? Come on. Give me a question, please. Everyone understand, right? Why no one asks? Ask to me. Come on. Okay. What's your question? Important elements of the formula. Important elements of the formula, this sentence. This material today, the past perfect tense. Okay, important elements of the formula is have subject, had, past participle or verb 3. Is subject a person or thing that performs an action. Example like this: I, you, they, we, it. That's like or each other. And to have had the past form of the auxiliary verb have. Auxiliary have is used with all subject. And the 3 is past participle. Past participle in this sentence use verb 3. Okay, is verb 3 the third form of the main verb, which is often irregular in English language. Like done, verb 3 is like done, gone, seen, or written. Yes, or written. Is this example in the slide? Wait. Okay. Miss give you example. Not in slide, yeah. Example like this. I had finished my homework before dinner. I had finished my homework before dinner. I as a subject, had is the verb. Had is auxiliary. Auxiliary verb is perfect tense is had. Auxiliary verb past perfect tense is had. So I as a subject had auxiliary verb, and the finish is verb 3. Use ed. Finish plus ed in end the sentence. Finish her. Verb 3. Finish her. I had finished my homework before dinner. Aku telah menyelesaikan pekerjaanku sebelum makan malam. I had finished my homework before. So I as a subject had as an auxiliary verb of past perfect tense. Auxiliary past perfect tense is a had. She had, I had, he had, they had, it had, and other. My homework before dinner. As you the next example in the 8th slide. The 8th slide, example negative formula tenses. She had not seen the movie. She had not seen the movie. She as a subject, had as an auxiliary verb from past perfect tense. Not is not because this is tenses. This is because this negative tenses. So use not. Must include not in the tenses. Okay. She had not seen the movie. She as a subject had as auxiliary verb. Not is negative formula, and seen as a verb 3. Seen the movie. The movie is predikat, keterangan. She as a subject. One more again, explaining. She had not seen the movie. She as a subject had as an auxiliary verb from past perfect tense. Not is from negative tenses. Don't forget to include not is these tenses because this tenses is negative formula. If we don't include not tenses in the sentence, so the name is not a negative formula. Yeah. Same the interrogative formula. If we don't include a question mark, so the name is not a interrogative formula. It's that simple. Okay. This example on the 6th slide. First example, he had finished their homework before he went to sleep at night. This example, there are to have subject, and there to have verb. Yeah. He had finished. First subject. Finish. First verb 3. First verb 3. Yeah. He went. He went. He went is subject 2. Second subject. And when is second verb 3. So this example, it have 2 subject and 2 verb. Yes, he had finished their homework before he went to sleep at night. And second example from positive formula, they had visit to the museum before it closed. These tenses, only one subject and one verb. First subject, they as a subject, had always auxiliary verb. Visit plus ed, visited, is verb 3, to the museum before it close. Close. Verb 3, ed plus ed, close it. Close. Okay, maybe that's enough for today's material. I'm sorry if there are mighty shortcomings or errors. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next class. Bye.